Let's make a sticky toffee pudding, Gordon Ramsay style.
No, better than Gordon Ramsay's.
Let's grab some dates. So to get them rehydrated, we're gonna put them in a saucepan with some water and cook them up.
To make the toffee sauce, add heavy cream, butter, brown sugar, and agave nectar. Bring this up to a boil and then let this simmer and thicken up. Then add more heavy cream and that's it. To make the pudding,
Flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda. And let's give it a whisk. Now we're gonna fluff up the butter with the brown sugar.
to this we'll add 1 egg, vanilla, and let's mix the dates into a food processor and add this too. Now toss in your dry ingredients and this is the pudding. And now let's butter our ramekins. Fill up our ramekins with the pudding batter just until 3/4 of the way up top.
Now let's bake them at 350 for 20 minutes.
Once baked, you can take them out and cut them into thirds and begin stacking.
A layer of salted toffee sauce. Then we'll add back our cake. Then more toffee sauce. And the middle layer, more sauce. The top layer, and a little bit more sauce.
Pop this back in the oven for about 5 minutes and that's pretty much it.
Man, we can immigrate to Britain.
When was the last time you ate this?
2009,
You still got it.
still got it. Coming for your garden.
It's a really nice date caramel flavor. You get a bit of crunch action from the top layer and from the sides, and then the inside is nice and gooey. It's good, but I can't see myself eating this whole thing right after my fast. It's just too sweet.